You can't take anything. I just get you the little water, and you're the one hitting me with your freaking belt. You're whipping me with your freaking belt, and you're the one complaining.
The real world, MTV style. Oh my God! You guys are such slave drivers.
Which one should I use? I mean, what if I want more stylish, but like, it would hurt more. Oh my goodness, a pillow!
Megan, you're so weird. You're like whining, and you're gonna crawl into bed or something.
She's such a crybaby. She can't take like any pain. Proud of it. You're proud of being a crybaby.
Yeah. You saw. Hold on. I gotta get an angle.
And this, my friend, is moose. Oh my God! That's a moose!
Michelle, do you get sound on that?
Yeah. Christina's in the way, and she's gonna die.
No!
Megan!
That's my trophy! That's my trophy!
Gotta follow them out. Why are the lights off now?
You have my trophy!
Videotaping again.
Stop.
Following again. I can't see anything in this part.
Oh, that's good.
Okay. And